Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, let me bring before you the USD-INR analysis, very important for this week as tomorrow is going to be the expiry day. This video is for educational purpose only. Those who want to trade really in USD-INR, please take the help of SEBI certified investment professional. So let me come to the analysis. Today surprisingly the USD-INR pair sold off. So you can see here, see the selling off in the morning. Yeah, so it reached almost around 82.5 levels, and for the day it sustained 82.50 support, and for the last 1 month this is the almost the lowest level. It has been trading in a range from 82.90 around, yeah, till 82.60. So almost you can see here 82.60. Today it broke that particular range and it traded lower. So if you see historically, let me come back here. So if you see historically means if you're coming back, you see, I'll go to the hourly chart, then it will be clear. You see here how many times it has tested. So you see here 82.65. So here again 82.65, and here you can see 82.6. How many times it has tested 82.60? So finally today it broke down, and if it is sustaining below, so I go to again the 5 minute chart. Let me clear this. Okay, so we are in again the 5 minutes chart. I'll go forward. Now you see again it has come back to 82.63. Today the commodities, uh, gold, and then the equity markets collapsed. So everything was against the USD pair, but still in the USD pair there was a fall. It can be due to RBI intervention. RBI wanted to control the USD-INR pair, so maybe due to RBI intervention that market came down. But all the data points suggesting that RBI intervention was there in the market, but uh, after our Indian session at 5 o'clock closing, again the USD-INR pair has given up all those gains. So now it is trading at around 82.63. Again back to that range. Now suppose if it sustains above 82.60, so we can see a level of again back to 82.90 levels. So we are back to the range. Uh, since tomorrow is the weekly expiry for the currency, so if you see the USD-INR pair trading above 82.60, you can buy it for a target of 82 point, first target 82.73, then you can see a target of 82.90. But if it sustains below 82.6, and please do not trade below 82.6. If it goes below 82.5, then you can see levels of 82.40, and 82.40 is very important level. If it falls below that, you can see levels of 82.2 and steep fall to even 82. So tomorrow, what you must trade? If it sustains above 82.6, then you can go for a target of 82.90. If it is trading below 82.50, then you can sell it for a first target of 82.40. But if it breaks 82.40, then we can have much lower level. From my understanding of USD-INR pair, so tomorrow, since all the market parameters are against it, unless there is a RBI intervention, we should trade higher. So buy at around 82.6, stop loss 82.55, then you can have a target of 82.90. So this is the USD INR trading strategy for tomorrow. And there were many data points in USA. Initial jobless claims were practically good. Yeah, but even then the US markets are trading negative. And tomorrow, even our markets, there's a chance of trading lower since the global equity markets are all selling off because of the global slowdown. So thank you for watching this analysis. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like and share. I will be coming up with the daily analysis of USD INR pair in the forex category. So thank you.